We are now moving on to our next interesting session for today evening, which is the Kahoot quiz. And this time, the Kahoot quiz is going to be handled by none other than a very eminent past chairperson of BCICI, CA Manil sir, and he will be assisted by our chairperson, CA Ajay. I request CA Mani sir and CA Ajay to take the next session, take charge, and come to the batting crease. Over to you, CA Ajay and Mani sir.
Thank you, Mahesh. So I'll let Mani sir to do a quick intro, and meanwhile I get the settings ready. And I request everybody to have your second device so that you can log into the Kahoot pin. Now I'm not sure if we should make anybody disqualified, because I know there are some people, like especially somebody like Mahesh, who's, we call it as the encyclopedia of BCICI, so who might have answers for virtually all the questions. So, but I will leave that to Mani sir, because like I said, I disqualified Mani sir by making a quiz master. Otherwise, he would have won the quiz directly. But anyways, I think we will give equal opportunity to everybody else. So, Mani sir, over to you.
Thank you, Ajay. Thank you for giving the opportunity, and what an eventful year it was. Whether it is a technical session, CSR activity, family entertainment, it was really, I can say one of the best years in BCICI. Earlier we used to say before 2010 in the history of BCI, after 2010. I can confidently say after 2020-21 is another level. You have taken it. So I would like to thank you for doing all these things. It's a selfless service for you and your team. So with that, we can go into the quiz.
Yes.
Mani sir, can you come a bit closer to the mic, because your voice is a bit feeble.
It is not because of that, because we are sitting in two laptops nearby. So I have muted his. Yeah, I think that would be the way we do it. I just put up the screen.
Anyway, it's going to be on the screen, but while discussing, we will.
Yes, just give us a second.
Yeah. And I would also like to thank Ajay for doing this Mentors of the Month program. It's sort of a credit to the people who did some work in the past for the chapter. It's a unique concept, remembering the people's services.
So as we normally do, first name and the membership number is your thing.
Hello.
Folks, I think I have to restart because the other laptop has just stopped. So I will just share the screen again. So please use this number, okay? Please use this number. So sorry for that. I think it's better that we did it at the beginning than somewhere in the middle of the quiz. So this got fixed. So there are about 26 questions, most of them relatively straightforward. So I think CA Kannan, you have to mention your membership number. Shah's Bhai, you have to put your membership number. So if you want, you can exit and join. We will wait for you. So please put your membership number. I really have to thank all the mentors who participated in the Mentor of the Month quiz, because it's not pretty straightforward as it seems, because there's a lot of back end effort from them, their side as well, to arrange for people who provide the testimony, the providing the history, providing the photographs, videos, so many other things. So hopefully all this has come out well, and hopefully you enjoyed. So this is kind of a finale, just to test if when people are watching the video, have they incorporated something from the watching the video. So shall we give 2 more minutes, sir?
Yeah. If it reaches, fine.
So we have about 69 people I can see. So I would probably request members to just hit a 50 at least, half century. We're talking about cricket today, so let's push a half century at least.
Don't worry about winning, just participate.
Yes. Yeah, we are not going to let out the scores. Excellent. We are pushing 41.
41, great.
I also think Ajit Bhai is here probably in the audience. So thank you to Ajit Nair of Convex, the person who has been instrumental in bringing this series to the PCICA members. So there's a lot of hard work that has been done by him and his team. You wouldn't believe the phenomenal effort. Just imagine trying to bring CA Vivek Kapoor all the way from Canada to Bahrain in the virtual studio. So you can imagine the kind of efforts that have gone to. So I take the opportunity also to thank to Ajit Nair and his team, Rinjish, and I think there was a person in Canada who also supported us on this. Thank you, everybody. You're stuck at say 41.
Yeah, we'll go ahead.
So I think Mani sir says, let's go ahead. So in the interest of time, we will go ahead now. So let's start.
Which of the following past chairpersons were not featured in the Mentor of the Month interview? Kapil Batra, Balraj.
So it is not featured, okay?
Yeah, not featured. Mahesh Narayan, Sanjay Gupta. Not featured. Yeah. Okay.
So in some ways, it's fine. I think obviously people are watching it.
Not bad.
And I think Balraj sir is probably joined us today. There is a story behind why he was not there, because when I was planning the Mentor of the Month interview, I had mapped out 12 mentors who were actually in Bahrain at that time. So, and I think Balraj sir was also probably in Bahrain at that time, and then he had to go to India during COVID time, and he got stuck there. So Balraj sir was always on the pipeline, but then we couldn't, because he was not in Bahrain, we couldn't get. Then when I was short of one mentor, then I went to Vivek, because Vivek had to. There's a lot of effort required on the other side. So to do a trial of a non-resident Bahraini, I think we felt Vivek was the best candidate. So that's how we zeroed in on Vivek. But Balraj sir was in the original list, but we couldn't really get him in the studio. But I really take the opportunity to thank him. So he's also been quite kind enough to be giving advice during the year, and he's been in contact with me throughout as well. So thank you, Balraj sir. So let's see who's the fastest finger. Yeah. Natasha, Vineet, Rajesh, Sanjeev, and Mahesh. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's go to second question.
Second question. Which past chairperson graduated from Allahabad University? Alok Gupta, Vivek Kapoor, Surinder Jain, Sridhar Sitavati.
This is a trick question. Somebody who has watched very intently would only know. And it's not a very obvious answer, I guess.
Let us see how many people score correctly.
Yes. as expected, because if you have not watched it very closely enough, Sridhar ji was the one who was done it.
Yeah. I think everybody said Alok Gupta did it. Yeah, great. Great.
Okay, let's see.
Does
this change the position? Yes,
yeah,
of course.
Gravita has come.
Gravita has come. Vineet is on second. Gaurav and Mahesh, of course, is still there. So let's go to the next question.
who held both BCCI chairperson and ICAP president position simultaneously? Shaukat Lokhandwala, Kapil Batra, Sanjay Gupta, Mani Lakshmanamurthy.
The ICABers might know this possibly. Again, surprising. So it's expected because I think all of these people have been very active ICABers. So that was the options, tricky options. That
Everybody thought Sanjay Gupta.
So Mani sir, he was the only person who was holding it simultaneously. Of course, all the other chairpersons mentioned here have been past presidents of ICAB as well. So and have been phenomenal ICABers, Toastmasters. So that was a trick question. So let's go to the next position.
No,
yes, that changes. So Clifford Ji, as expected, knows the history, and Mahesh also knows the history. So they have moved up now. So let's see the next question.
Yeah, which was this unique program conducted by during Uday Shanbag term? Sunidhi Chauhan event, CNBC Awas Pehla Kadam, first badminton tournament, first international CA women conference. Actually, let's. Wow,
excellent.
that's great.
So most members seem to remember that. I think that was the only time that we had at the international conference a CNBC Pehla Kadam show, which was telecast on the CNBC channel. So that credit goes to Uday.
So
great job, Uday. So let's see.
Change
little bit. So the top still continues. So comes the fifth question.
Life is like a marathon. Do not run like 100-meter race. This is the advice given by which past chairperson? Uday Shanbag, Kapil Batra, Meenakshi Sundaram, Vivek Kapoor.
Surprising.
21 people thought Meenakshi has given.
Maybe Meenakshi might give the same advice, but we only can go by the advice that was given during the Mentor of the Month interview.
Wow.
So this one was given by Vivek
Kapoor, and it is one of the latest, actually. No?
Yes.
So,
so let's see, does that change the position?
Yeah, I think it changes. No, Clifford is there. Okay, Santosh has come. Okay. Eknash,
okay.
Karvita is there. Great. It's really interesting actually. Collaborative leadership was the title for the last CPE event during which past chairperson term? Mahesh Narayan, Sridhar Sitapati, Uday Shanbag, Kapil Batra.
So this was the title of the last program of this chairperson's term.
Yeah. Wow, only
most of you got it right.
Got it right,
I think same day last year, 31st of July 2019.
Yeah, exactly.
20 rather. 20. Mahesh had done this program with I think Mr. Prakash Iyer. It was amazing event. It was a very fantastic event to close the term. So I hope you enjoyed today's event as well to close the term. So that was a very well conducted event by Mahesh.
Yeah.
So Mahesh should have got it wrong. That makes him fastest finger possible.
Yeah,
yes.
Mahesh has come.
I can see Ekansh there. Ekansh was waiting for the quiz to start. While everybody was enjoying Vikram Saty's thing, Ekansh was waiting for the quiz. So now I know why. So he's gone through the interviews probably.
Under whose term GCC International Conference also had a gala night for the first time with Shankar Mahadevan, Alok Gupta, Meenakshi Sundaram, Sanjay Gupta, Mahesh Narayan. Shankar Mahadevan's program as part of GCC International Conference.
Most of them got
it right. So it was interesting actually. I also won the raffle draw.
Okay.
And I got I think a diamond ring.
Oh.
So I should thank Meenakshi. You know?
No wonder this question was there. It's very close to
Yeah.
Mani sir's. So he's the diamond man. Let's see if that changes. So there's not much change. Everybody knows it. So good
Good.
question.
Yeah.
There's still opportunity for the others to catch up. There are some questions which are double points as well. Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Yeah.
Let's see when that comes.
Which chairperson started his first employment in Kanpur? Kapil Batra, Sridhar, Sitapati, Mani Lakshmanamurthy, Alok Gupta.
It is kudos for people who get it right, other than those who guess it, of course. So as expected, nobody guesses that Mani sir started his employment in Kanpur.
13, who got 13?
Alok.
Alok. Everybody got Alok. Is
So,
great.
Let's see. So does that change the
Changes
position?
the position. Yeah, Mahesh is there.
Mahesh still there.
Yeah.
Gaurav has moved up.
Yeah, great.
So I hope that's Gaurav Agarwal. So it's
Yeah, I
husband
think
and wife in the
husband
top
and wife
five.
both are there on the top. Yeah. Okay, some easy question. Sanjay Gupta has wide experience in India in which sector?
I think during the interview he was.
Yeah,
very
I was telling.
specific
Yeah,
in saying-
power, telecom, shipping, financial service. He was very specifically, quoting during the interview. He is one of the few.
So again, it's a googly. I think
Googly.
people expect it's financial services. So I think
Because he is working in the central bank, and this one, I think there people expected financial service. Actually, he is one of the experts in the power sector. If you see his interview, there is there very clearly. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
great questions. I think changed. Mahesh is there. Yeah,
but he didn't get it right for
Right.
sure. Okay,
Yeah.
Venkata has come into the top five.
Fine. Okay,
Now let's see the
fine.
next question.
CA Kapil Batra has worked under which past ICI president? Ved Jain, Uttam Agarwal, ND Gupta, Amarjit Chopra. Wow, this is no. I think everybody is
So
aware
everybody is
of
aware
it.
of it.
Yeah.
Great.
Everybody is aware
Now,
of
so
it.
far I was getting a little bit of doubt that did people really watch it or not. But this thing looks like they have watched it.
Yeah, exactly. Great. Hi, Rajesh
Not
has
much change
come.
except Rajesh has come back.
Coming.
So
Mhm.
Mahesh is still holding the
Holding.
top.
Yeah. Yeah. Who held the shortest tenure as a chairperson of BCICI? Mani Lakshmanamurthy, Balasubramaniam, Surinder Jain, Shaukat Lokhandwala.
The auditors there would notice there was a spelling error.
Yeah. Shortest term in the BCCI chair. Yeah, I
Yes.
think majority of people know. Yeah, it
So
was
you
2011.
can mention the reason.
Yeah, because it was number one, there was a change in the constitution, like you can conduct the election before AGM later. Okay, so that the incoming team has time to take over. I think that was a change introduced by Shaukat.
in the constitution.
And because of that, the term has to be only 9 months, I think. So that's the reason.
Okay.
So he made the constitution change, and because of that, he has to cut short 3 months.
So he himself decided to take it.
Exactly. Just change,
Okay,
big change,
Rajesh.
big change.
Mahesh is still keeping the
Keeping,
top.
yes.
Excellent, Mahesh.
Mhm.
Question
Next.
number 12.
Chartered accountants adding value to global economies. This is the theme of the GCC conference held under whose term?
It's a tough one.
Alok Gupta, Mani Lakshmanamurthy, Balasubramaniam, Ajay Kumar.
Yeah, I just took the opportunity to put myself among these legends. Nothing else. So if somebody chooses my name, I'll be happy, but that's not the right answer. Yeah, I thank those two people who supported me, although it was not my initiative.
They're not bad. Even though it is 10 years back, people still
Yeah.
remember it. Very great. Great.
It's 10 more 12 years.
12 years now, almost. Yeah, exactly.
Great. So I think that was the very first GCC international conference that was
Conference, yeah.
hosted by BCICI.
Yeah.
And since then, this has become the flagship event of the chapter. So every year,
Yeah.
every incoming chairperson tries to make this event bigger, better,
Better,
and
yeah. That's
as
right.
much as they can
Great,
do.
great.
So good
Good
observations.
Good observations. Again, yes,
So-
Clifford has come back.
So the changes are happening below number one. Number one is steady, and the other, I think there's a lot of movements below. So
Yeah.
our incoming chairperson is also, looking good in the
Good.
history of BCICI. So he's now in the fifth position.
Yeah, next is 13th question. See, Magesh Kumar.
This
Narayan
Mahesh
is-
should not answer. Mahesh, you should.
is popularly known as visionary chairperson, dynamic chairperson, versatile chairperson, Rajinikanth of BCICI.
So looking at the picture, it is Rajinikanth of BCICI only, I think.
Don't follow Ajay. Some people put his dynamic chairperson. Okay, fine.
No,
Great.
I think there are a couple of people have just answered it for fun, that Rajinikanth.
Rajinikanth.
But
Probably Sham would have clicked it, I think.
although he knows that the answer is wrong, he's still stuck with the Rajinikanth.
Rajinikanth, yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
Next.
So this one, when we were putting the question, Mani sir was saying this everybody will know. So at least I was saying okay, not everybody. So we have 5 people who couldn't know, but Mahesh was.
Ajay,
getting
Ajay,
this right.
only thing is, CA Mahesh Kumar was popularly referred to because this title is no longer mine. So
No,
maybe that's
it is
You
like
were
this,
always-
Mahesh. Yeah.
You were always.
In USA and all, when you finish the presidency, you are still referred to as president only. So you are still referred to as chairperson, visionary
Visionary
chairperson.
chairperson. Yes.
So let's see. So not much has changed. But still movement is coming. Are Alok Bhai is coming. Okay, he's not gone for his walk then. He's watching the quiz. Good.
Yeah.
So this is double points.
Double points, a difficult one. Which mentor of the month interview garnered the fastest 1,000 views on the BCICI YouTube channel?
So
Balasubramaniam.
it's not only about watching the
Yeah.
interview, you should also watch the number of
Yeah.
views.
Kapil Batra, Alok Gupta, Vivek Kapoor. This is in the YouTube channel of BCICI. Wow.
Fantastic.
Yeah,
So,
still there are 14 people wrong.
yes. So actually, I think the highest number of views was surpassed among all the 12 interviews on the very first day,
First
or
day.
in one day itself.
Yeah.
It crossed this thing, and probably I don't know, I cannot be sure, but I think this is probably the one which has the highest views on the YouTube
Yes,
channel
sir.
in terms
Yeah.
of any of our uploads there. So
So-
just shows the popularity.
Popularity of Alok Gupta,
Yes.
as usual. Wow.
So,
So-
still movements in the bottom. So Alok Bhai is moving up
Moving
himself. So Mahesh is still holding the top.
Yeah.
Here comes the next
Fine.
question, 15th question.
Under whose chairmanship first female committee member was inducted? That means one, no? First female committee member. Alok Gupta, Ajay Kumar, Vivek Kapoor, Kapil Batra. First committee member, female committee member.
So yeah, I'm just taking the opportunity to be in the name of these people, right? Otherwise, I'm not there in any way.
Wow.
So
14.
it's a very apt answer
Yeah.
because the correct answer obviously is CA Alok Gupta. I think
Gupta.
CA Mukta Kulkarni was the first
First.
female committee member.
Committee member.
And of course, CA Kapil Batra. we
Because
can-
he is very famous. Kapil
Yeah,
is very
we'll say later. I think, and of
Yeah.
course me, I think in our committee this year we probably have the highest number of female ExCom members. So
Yeah,
we have 4 members.
Four,
So
yeah,
so
that's
we
true.
should thank Alok Gupta who started the
Yeah.
trend, I would say.
And soon we can expect.
For the first female chairperson is on the way
exactly.
now.
That's really
Yeah.
it's eventful.
So
Yeah.
not much.
Not
Arun
much.
Kotwani is just
Yes,
moving up.
Yes.
So let's go to the next question.
Next question. Who was the chairperson when the first ever election was conducted at BCICI? Who was the chairperson? Election was conducted.
So anybody who was a member at that time will never forget this. This was
Sanjay Gupta, Mahesh Narayanan, Sridhar Sitapati, and Uday Shandel.
this was a historic moment in our chapter.
Yeah. Wow.
Excellent. So I
Still-
hope those 11, 15, 16 people who didn't write are relatively new members.
Maybe because Sridhar was elected as the chairperson. Already he was.
Exactly. So maybe
Yeah,
it's like CA exams, you have to interpret the question correctly. So the chairperson when the election was conducted was CA Uday Shanbag.
Shanbag.
Of course, the incoming chairperson at that time was CA Sridhar Sitapati, and he didn't have to contest because there was nobody who was pitted against him, and nobody nominated themselves against him. And CA Sanjay Gupta was the election officer, so he did an amazing job because that was like a uncharted territory for the very first time. And of course, CA Mahesh has the honor of having won the election, and then he became the vice chairperson. So these were all the 4 people probably had a part to play during this thing.
connected.
But after this election, the rule came that the vice chairperson will automatically become the chairperson. So my co-quiz master is the one who drafted that rule. So to ensure that there's no direct challenge to the chairperson, because you need that couple of years experience to come in as vice chairperson and learn the trade and then move. So I think that's was the first time this was envisaged that this could be a scenario. So
that's true.
So that was the first time that change was made. So let's see. So nothing much. Natasha has come back. So good movements. Next question is,
which past chairperson was selected among the top 100 CEOs of the Middle East by Forbes magazine? Sridhar Sitapati, Vivek Kapoor, Balasubramaniam, Alok Gupta.
should be relatively straightforward.
I hope everybody answers correctly.
Yes.
Let us see any wrong answers are there.
Let's see, because this is quite a recent development as well. We had communicated in the broadcast to members.
Wow, there are
a couple of people who got it wrong. So for one, we are surprised by the choice also, because I think of this group, 4 of people, there are only 2 CEOs, so which is Sridhar and Alok. So anyway, but I think most of you have got it right.
People,
but sometimes what happens, Mani sir, is people in their hurry to get the correct answer, they press the wrong color. So that also happens. So this need not be a reflection that they don't know possibly.
Alok Gupta has to send some gift to these 2 people.
So as expected, nothing changes there.
Next
question number
18. Yeah. During which past chairperson's term, Family Day was held in Al Arin Palace? It was, it was really famous.
Memorable.
Vivek Kapoor, Sridhar Sitapati, Uday Shanbhog, Sanjay Gupta.
So it was a very all the family days are exceptional, but this one was something too good. I think probably the biggest one that we have done in our BCSA history.
So it is during Sridhar's time.
Sridhar's time, people went into the water spa. It was fantastic. I have pictures of people were not wearing any except for shorts with a lot of cream and it was a really full memorable day. The whole day we enjoyed. And that was a great event. So again, not expecting much change.
Okay, next.
Let's see the next question. Question number 19.
Under whose chairmanship the BCI constitution changed the name of chairman to chairperson?
Yes. So now we refer to everybody as chairperson. So who changed that?
To keep the gender neutral. So that's why Shaukat, Lokhandwala, Kapil Batra, Alok Gupta, and Vivek Kapoor.
Fantastic. Actually, I didn't want to say when the earlier question came, because when it was 14 for Alok and 14 for Kapil Batra, I was thinking the answer was a little bit apt, because Alok ji brought in the first ExCom, female ExCom member, but Kapil ji was the one who changed the title from chairman to chairperson to make it gender neutral. So I think his dream of that will now become a reality in the next year, when hopefully when Sharmila will take up that mantle. So that's a good answer for everybody. So hopefully may not much change. Not much change.
He is far ahead. Next, Alok has come. Which chairperson started the tradition of 1-year limit for BCICA chairpersons? It's a very, it's informal, this one. It's like a convention more than a rule. Kapil Batra, Sanjay Gupta, Surinder Jain, yes, Balasubramaniam.
So this rule, so I was having this discussion with Mani sir on this, it is not said in the constitution. It's a kind of a tradition that we follow in BCICI, but that tradition is very important, because that kind of gives opportunity for people like me, and many other people who have been taking up the mantle to just take up and the role and do their, because we have so many great chairpersons, so if you have seen many other organizations, there are some people who just stay on for a long time. So I think BCSA is different in that sense, that we only take 1-year chairperson.
And you can see the result every year we are surpassing this one. I think
I think that credit should go to CS Surinder Jain, who brought in that, let's say, tradition, if I can say, call that. So let's see, only 12 people got. Does that make any change? No, the top 5 is Mahesh got it wrong for some reason. So that brings Rajesh closer to him, but all the other 4 got right. Santosh is still there, Alokji is still there, Natasha is there.
Yeah. 21.
So double point.
It's
So
going
this
to be
can
very
change.
difficult, yeah.
Surendra-
Surendra Jain, past chairperson of BCA, was born and brought up in the city of Delhi, Amritsar, Chandigarh, and Lucknow.
So let's see who gets this. This is a chance
Really?
to rechange the
Yeah,
position.
double. If somebody scores, it will be double point. And up.
Right.
Wow.
A lot of
Not
people
bad.
got it.
14 people. So now the score must be different now. Let us see.
Let's see the change.
Ah,
Yes,
Mahesh.
expected. So the only movement, but still Natasha has
Yeah.
just moved up just above
Yeah.
Alokji. But otherwise, pretty much no change.
change.
Venkata is climbing 7 places.
Wow.
So that's well
Yeah.
done, Venkat. Still time to. We have 5 more questions to go.
Who was featured in the first episode of Mentor of the Month interviews? That is the first
Yeah.
time.
So Mani sir was saying this will be easy. Everybody will get it right. So let's
Let
see.
us see actually.
Let us see if
Let
that
us see
is the
who are
case.
there. First Mentor of the Month.
Still wrong.
Still 5-6 people are wrong.
So I now believe there are some people who have not watched any episode. So I think you should now at least start watching some of these episodes. But obviously most of the people have seen it. So they are at least they know that Balu sir's interview was the very first one.
Yeah,
So it was the very first one. We were trying some new concept, and I think Balu sir just brought out the whole thing. He talks from his heart, and it's just come out very well. So that was a very big success. So that just helped us to continue with the concept for the rest of the term.
Great. Yeah.
So let's just go
And
again as expected. Not
no
much change in the top 5. So here comes question number 23.
23. CM Meenakshi Sundaram started his career in which of the following companies? ITC, BPCL, HPCL, ICICI Bank.
See, Meenakshi's interview was a bit interesting because we did it for a standing basis on the very first time. We thought we are both young, we could do a standing interview. But after the interview, our knees reminded us that our age is caught up. So we had to take a sitting interview afterwards.
So majority answered correctly. Yes.
Correct.
Yeah, majority answered correctly. Yeah.
So I think
So HPCL is Alok Gupta.
Alok started, and ITC was where Meenakshi said he met Subhashri.
Exactly.
So that was the story that he was narrating. So let's see if there's a change. No change. Everybody is just holding on to their position. But there's a little bit of a tough fight. Mahesh is still not leaving. So let's see.
Vivek Kapoor has conducted sessions at overseas chapters on which of the following topic?
So see, Vivek Kapoor was talking about the sessions that he used to conduct for overseas chapters. So is it
business valuation, IFRS, merger and acquisition, insurance.
He has done this in Kenya.
Kenya, in India also as well. Yeah, business value. Not bad. 19 people are correct. Yeah.
Most people have got
10
right.
people said, what is that?
Mergers and
Mergers
acquisitions related to that, I think, but
yeah.
it's not exactly merger. He did it specifically on business valuation, and he has talked about that in his interview.
Yeah,
so let's see, does that make any change? No.
Mahesh is still on the top.
The top is just holding on. But Rajesh is trying very close. So we have last 2 questions to go.
Yeah.
And let's see. I don't know if there's a double. Next question is double
Double
pointer.
point, I think.
So if somebody tries maybe fastest finger first, or if somebody on any of these gets wrong, then there's a big chance of changing. Let's see. This is the double pointer.
Double pointer. Yes. 2 international conference was held during the term of which? During the term of which one? See, instead of 1, conducting 1 itself is a
huge task.
But 2, he conducted 2. T.S. Balasubramaniam, Kapil Batra, Sanjay Gupta, Mahesh Narayan.
So this was a very trick question if people have not really observed the interviews.
Yeah.
Not
bad.
Not bad. So,
yeah, that seems okay.
So I am feeling now that doing the interview was worth it. So people are still seeing it. So Sanjay ji was the person who did the 2 international conferences. We did 2 international conferences this year also in 2 different one-day terms. We did a women's conference, we did a normal conference. But Sanjay ji did a great session during his term. It was full-fledged.
Full-fledged.
Yes.
Yeah.
So does that change the position?
Yeah,
Yes, Shaukat
Shaukat
ji
has
is
come.
coming into the top 5.
Yeah.
So one past chairperson replacing another
Other
past
side.
chairperson in the fifth
Yeah,
position.
yeah.
So let's see. This comes the last question.
Last
I
question.
think this is an easy one, but let's see if that makes any
Any
change in
change
the top 5.
actually? It should be very easy. Yeah.
Here comes the last
Come
question.
next. During his wedding, Sangeet, C.A. Alok Gupta danced to which of the following songs?
You can see the image of C.A. Alok's dance.
Yeah.
Fully engrossed, fully
16
committed.
16 January 2001.
Is it किसी डिस्को में जाएं या आँखियों से गोली मारे जोरू का गुलाम बन के रहूंगा और मैं तो रास्ते से जा रहा था. Which of the songs did he dance to? Fabulous.
Wow. Great.
So I think seven people or the 10-11 people who have not watched it, but I request everybody. So that was the last question before we close the interview. But I think that that interview, I think Alok ji was mentioning, he's a big fan of Govinda, and as usual, he breaks conventions, he takes risks which nobody would think of.
He makes the dance differently. Okay. Funny dance. Yeah.
So I will unmute everybody once this quiz is done, so that we'll have a quick open house. Maybe Alok ji can probably touch upon this particular element. What was the thought process when he was doing this? So now let's see the final outcome. Has anything changed?
Podium. Yes. Santosh. Great.
Santosh.
Second.
Incoming. Rajesh. And of course, as my prediction skills are now coming very nice, Mani sir.
Yeah.
As expected, Mahesh is the one who's won it.
Yeah. See,
Nata. Oh, Ekans is coming to the top 5. So out of nowhere. Excellent.
I will,
but anyway, the prices are only there for the top 3. Quite unfortunately, but
I just would like to make one small suggestion.
Yes.
Mahesh being part of the chairperson mentor team, we'll drop Mahesh. Give the
that is for Mahesh to decide. So that our people comes to the end of the session. Let me close the interview. This one. Okay, so that brings us to the end of the quiz as well. So now I will try to unmute. I think we will give about 5-10 minutes, maybe just to have people, if anybody wants to share any thoughts, because I know it's very difficult to keep everybody on mute. Yes. Is anybody able to unmute? Yeah, I think actually I wanted to start with Shaz Bhai, because Shaz Bhai had taken the pain to pen a small poem for me. So I think I would like to ask him to maybe share it in live. And so I think let's start with that. Over to you, Shaz Bhai.
Thank you very much, Ajay Bhai. It's been a really entertaining session today. And I suppose that sums up the all last 12 months for you and rest of the committee as well. This has been a wonderful journey so far. And thank you very much, on behalf of the Art and Culture Committee as well, that you gave the faith and I guess a free hand to all of us and to do wonders. So thank you very much once again. And as you mentioned that, yes, I managed to write a few lines and, they just come off because they depicts, I suppose, the truth. Though I normally don't write much in Hindi, but this is, I suppose, a little bit of pure Hindi, and I rather, translate it for you as well. So the title of the poem is called Tu Ajay Hai. Tu Ajay hai, tu ruka nahi, tu dara nahi, tu thaka nahi. Because I'm trying to mention because of the Corona times. Tu ruka nahi, tu dara nahi, tu thaka nahi, bas aage bada hai, nidar bankar, tu Ajay hai. तू अजय है, तू विजय है, तू अपराजित है, तू अभय है, तू अजय है. राह बड़ी तंग थी तेरी, हर पल थी परीक्षा बड़ी. राह बड़ी तंग थी तेरी, हर पल थी परीक्षा बड़ी. तूने धैर्य न छोड़ा, तूने शौर्य न छोड़ा. तूने धैर्य न छोड़ा, तूने शौर्य न छोड़ा, बस आगे बढ़ा, सबको साथ में लेकर. सबको साथ में लेकर. And something coming for you, I suppose you will love it. रोहिणी का सारथी बनकर. सबको साथ में लेकर, रोहिणी का सारथी बनकर. तू अजय है, तू विजय है. चैप्टर के विकास में दिए हैं तूने, चैप्टर के विकास में दिया है तूने बड़ा योगदान. हर कठिनाई पार की पाया है प्रथम स्थान, because we won the best overseas chapter as well award. So हर कठिनाई पार की पाया है प्रथम स्थान तू अजय है, अभिनंदन तेरा नमन मेरा, अभिनंदन तेरा नमन मेरा, करता हूं बस एक कामना, तो करता हूं बस एक कामना, जीवन में हर संघर्ष का करे तू डटकर सामना। तो जीवन के हर संघर्ष का करे तू डटकर सामना, बस रुके नहीं, थमे नहीं, डरे नहीं, पाए तू विजय सब पर, पाए तू विजय सब पर, क्यों कि तू अजय है, तू विजय है, तू अपराजित है, तू अभय है। So thank you very much.
Wow,
And,
wow. Great.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you,
And
Shaz bhai. I think I couldn't have asked for a better farewell gift. So thank you. I can never imagine that somebody would write a poem for me. So this is something very far from my.
And also, I don't think that you should translate. I understood. That means you no need of
Oh,
translation.
very good. Yeah, Santosh bhai. Yes, that's what I was wondering, because it's a bit of pure Hindi, but see the expressions, and I suppose the word could not be better matched, because what I intended to write it, I guess they can only start from his name, that to Ajay hai. So thank you very much. And maybe I also got the privilege to write it for 2 chairmen now. So I wrote it for Kapil sir as well, and then Santosh bhai, you will be the next in command. So all the very best.
I'll be
Yes.
honored so much. I always wish that there are many other deserving people. I can be waiting, no problem. Okay, there are others who deserve it. I don't deserve the class of other big people. I'm just a learner.
Just for saying that, Santosh, you deserve it. I think just for saying that.
Yes.
That is your
No, he will be deserving it, but he needs to prove, I suppose, the next 12 months. So all the very best. And
We are
yeah,
all
Ajay,
there.
thank you very much on a personal note, or I suppose from the Art and Culture Committee as well. You've done really, really, so well, and we are very proud of you. So thank you very much. God bless.
Thank you, Shaz bhai. So anyway, it's an open house. I mean, I hope today people enjoyed the last day. Maybe I was not wrong when I said the best session, probably one of the best sessions in the term, because I think it was so engaging, so fun without any. I think Mahesh was saying it's a CP event. Possibly it's not a CP event. We never applied for CP because we didn't think it looked like finally it became a management lesson. We could have applied for CPE by the way it went, but largely it was supposed to be a fun session, and I hope it stayed with that. And the mentors quiz obviously was also supposed to be more fun. So thank you, Mani sir, for that specifically. He pulled out the questions. He gave me a lot more questions. I couldn't accommodate too many of this, so I just stopped it around 25, 26 questions. But again, I hope that was also enjoyable by everybody. So any last words anybody wants to talk? This is a floor, I think, by 5-10 minutes. Shaukaji wants to go. Okay.
I just want to share what everyone else also has said. We all enjoy the term and all. What I really enjoyed most was the enthusiasm that you had for every event and right through the year. To maintain this level of commitment is phenomenal. The way you guided your team, which was new, you allowed them to explore, come up with new ideas, and you shared them. It was a revelation. I completely agree with what Mani Saab said. 2010 was one step of the ladder. 2020 is the next, from where we will catapult on forward. Thank you so much, Ajay. You have really made the chapter proud. All the best.
Thank you so much. I think I know Vivek has raised his hand, but I think Kapilji was also raising the hand before. So maybe Kapilji, you can take the floor. You're mute, sir. It's only Zoom which can make Kapilji quiet. nobody else can. I don't know, for probably some reason he's not able to unmute, I guess.
Unmute, Kapilji, unmute.
Yes.
Now it's unmuted because I unmuted myself again. It was not allowing. Anyway,
so even Zoom cannot stop you, sir.
See, it was a hallmark event today. It ended with the great quiz. I thought I will not be able to participate because I have to travel, but I still kept glued to the screen. That much powerful was the quiz, and because of shining a star of.
So and आपका शायरी without your शायरी खत्म नहीं होता है.
See, again I will be reciting an old shairi which I have given once to our chapter program. That our chapter is like that Let could you hear?
Yeah. Wow, 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 wow.
Okay. So it is like that. है तेरी है उनकी कोशिशें अपनी, है तेरा हौसला अपना, है उनकी कोशिशें अपनी, है तेरा हौसला अपना, उनका हद बांधते रहना, तेरा हद से गुजर जाना। और परिंदे परिंदे तू उड़ाने भर, चाहे अंजाम हो कुछ भी, परिंदे तू उड़ाने भर, चाहे अंजाम हो कुछ भी, या तो सूरज को छू लेना या फिर जल के बिखर जाना। So this is how our chapter is going to grow. I'm assuring you. So
Middle. Okay, middle.
Yes,
So-
sir. Thank you. I will let maybe Vivek. So thank you, Vivek, for joining all the way from Canada. And I also thank Murli, sir. I could see him also. He was there for most of the time. So Vivek, floor is yours.
Yeah, Ajay, I've been closely watching as an outsider, if I may say, from and what I wanted to comment upon, I've already said that earlier in our meeting, and I also quote this on many occasions in my new committee here in Toronto, that our chapter is where no politics exists, and where every past chairperson and senior member in the island, they support and they support wholeheartedly for us to grow and achieve newer heights. And it's not a credit which an individual takes, it's a credit which team takes. And I've seen that across many chapters, not only one particular, but across many chapters and committees where I have closely interacted during the past few years. And I would like to congratulate you, Ajay, for all the new initiatives and new landmark achievements which you achieved in your term. And I think I'm gonna emulate a lot of them here going forward. So, but the conceptualization of the idea will always remain to your credit, but the execution will go to my new team. So I really congratulate you and your team for those wonderful achievements, and all the best for your new innings, which you are not the past chairperson. So welcome to the club. And
Thank you, Vivek. I think, like you mentioned, it's a testimony of the support that we get from the past chairpersons. That the chairperson of the chapter, when I joined the chapter in 2007, is sitting right next to me, and we have collaborated to bring you the Mentor of the Month quiz, mentors quiz. So I think that's the kind of support that we have been having. So it's not like Mani sir is taking a step back, saying, like, I think what Vikram was saying earlier. Past chairman, I played 100 tests, you have played only 60 tests, so you are nowhere near to me. So sir is sitting here as an evidence, saying we are all in this together. So thank you, Mani sir. Thank you, Vivek, for joining today.
Thank you.
I'll let Sridhar ji is raised his hand. So maybe Sridhar ji, you're on mute.
By the way, Mani didn't play any cricket, so
Hi, Ajay and Mani.
So I did mention about you, Sridhar ji, because I think not many people knew that we had given you a farewell. Unfortunately, because of circumstances, we couldn't give you a grand farewell, which you deserve. But we still are happy that we gave a very small farewell with the past chairpersons and the current executive committee. So I can see you are in Bangalore, enjoying the
You can see the background. I'm enjoying the nice weather also. Beautiful weather here it is. No AC, no fan is required. Okay. I'm just sitting in the balcony enjoying the session. And I must say that you wrapped up your term with an amazing session, especially this past chairman's quiz. It really, you cover all the signature events of each and every past chairperson. So that gives, a kind of fond memories to all of us. And I really enjoyed. And I would like to I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. And I would like to congratulate Santosh for taking up the baton from you. And you set a very high benchmark for Santosh. But certainly Santosh is not a new person for our BCSA activities, and he has got a good amount of experience. I'm 100% sure he will do great things, surpassing your record also.
Definitely, I think that's what I wish for. Thank you, Sridhar ji. Like, I think Vikram ji was mentioning about Saurav Ganguly, picking talents from here, and maybe that's what you did with me also, because I was nowhere in the picture as far as the administration part of BCSA was concerned. So I think I would probably thank you for bringing me into this particular part of it.
No, you truly deserve. You truly deserve, Ajay.
Yes, Alokji, for you.
Okay.
So
Thank
I
you,
think
sir.
I'll start with famous dialogue or famous poem started by or narrated by our beloved Shad Saab. आप जरा एक बार वापस वो इरशाद स्टार्ट का जरा बताएंगे क्या अजय अजय बोल रहे थे ना आप क्या that was too much. अग्निपथ का डायलॉग था ना दाम विजय दीनानाथ चौहान. I think it will be replaced with that. Can you please once again share that first few notes which you were talking? तू अजय है तू अपराजय है.
विजय है तुम विजय है.
Mute पे हो शायद.
Mute.
You're on mute, Shaz bhai.
Yes. Thank you much, Alok bhai. Yes, you are right. Maybe I inspired it from that Agnipath, to write the poem for him. So that was my thought process behind when I was started writing, yesterday. So that was something like, "Tu Ajay hai, tu ruka nahi, tu dara nahi, tu thaka nahi, bas aage bada nidar ban ke."
So Ajay,
Wow, superb.
Ajay, there are no other words I can describe about you. Right from knowing you in 2009-10 as a cricketer, then seeing you in committee, then seeing you in Russia trip, and then coming to as vice chairman and chairman when you called me, I still remember. I was thinking, when Uday used to conduct every week one program, I was thinking, what is next? And then Mahesh used to keep every alternate day program. I was thinking, what is next? And now I can understand even 6 hours are there. Still, I know I can expect one more program in next 6 hours. So, and friends, those who have not been in committee, you don't know what type of efforts are required for conducting one small event. And Ajay conducted more than 30, 40, 50 events in last 365 days. Hats off to you, Ajay. This is a mammoth. This is phenomenal. And I'm not demeaning value of incoming chairman, Mr. Santosh ji, but I'm telling you, coming in your shoes, fitting into your shoes is next to impossible. This is mission impossible. So you have done phenomenal job. Wish you all the best. And as Vikramji told, and you also asked that what is the next. So you need to find out a real opportunity, a real goal. Otherwise, you will be in your house and then do bartan takrayenge, and then we will be facing you.
No, I think thank you so much, Alok bhai. I think probably my only comment against that would be when the term started, it was almost pretty much the same. I was just thinking to myself, how will I fit into all these big shoes of all these past chairpersons, and even Mahesh for that matter. I really again give a lot of credit to Mahesh, because working with him as secretary last year just gave me the confidence to, if you think about doing something, if you're committed to it, things will happen. And that's what I've learned through my entire year. If that's one message I can do, is things will, fall in place. Whether it is the New Year gathering that we did, people were worried that it will be very cold, there'll be windy, so we will not happen. God saved us. That day weather was perfect. People didn't even go to the bonfires that were set up. People just enjoyed. We went to the LPOD this time. People were thinking humid, everything. Nothing happened on the day. It was like slightly windy, and people could enjoy. So it's just, I think this is probably advice or learning, whatever we can say. If you are committed to doing something, it happens. There is a force which is with you.
I think two things I would like to once again talk about. First is innovation. The way you innovated each and every activity, I think you should be given an award from Forbes for most innovative person. And second most important thing is information technology. Can you believe it, members, that in era of COVID, we conducted more than 50, 60, 70 events. Every alternate day there is an event, and the effective use of technology. I think Ajay, you already surpassed the most CEOs or CFOs or CTOs in the world. So you have taken seriously chapter to next level. And
He has been sleeping in the virtual studio, Alok.
Yes.
Sleeping in the virtual studio.
Yeah, I saw one bed was there. Was that your bed on left hand side? And I think thank you to Mani Saab for a very, very interesting, even though I came 7th, but that was a double question which got other way around. But thank you, Mani Saab. As usual, you are hardworking. You are our Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of our chapter. So thank you very much.
So I was seeing Ekansh was wanting to do, he was raising his hand. So maybe let's give a chance to our young member. Ekansh, you're there? I think last few minutes of the session, so we probably have to close by 6:30, let's say. Ekansh is not there. If anybody else wants to go, last couple of, Rajiv is my colleague in AXA, so he's raised his hand. So
Oh, Ekansh is on mute. Ajay, Ekansh says he's on mute.
everybody can unmute, so I have not locked anybody. So if Ekansh is not able to talk, maybe Rajiv, you can speak. Rajiv, go ahead.
Hi, Ajay. So I like to call you amazing, Ajay. Right from the first time I saw the virtual.
I think you need to make your
Video,
no, still,
okay.
yeah.
Little bit.
थोड़ा खड़ा हो जाओ आप, बैठा है.
Now it's
Okay, apologies. So yeah, Ajay, I mean, I think the first virtual studio when I saw Balu sir's interview with the Mentor of the Month, that was like amazing, Ajay. You know, that's the innovation. That's what Alokji said. Your innovation began from that first very Mentor for the Month, the virtual studio you kicked off. And it just went on endlessly. So amazing stuff. I would like you to actually also name each of your committee members, because I am sure they are the integral part of your success, of your team's success. So it'll be good to hear each of their names. And of course, Santosh has obviously taken over, Sharmila is continuing. But all of them have been like wonderful team with you who really made this happen. So congratulations to all of them. And thank you to you and the team.
Thank you, Rajiv. And one good thing about Rajiv is very good at quizzing. He listens to each session very closely, and he's been kind enough many times to not take the prize, because sometimes he just logs in saying just for fun and other things. So he wins, but then he gets disqualified automatically, so that he gives others the opportunity. But Rajiv, I think, like I mentioned in the beginning, I have no words to thank my team, because this achievement is like, it's only channeling through me, but it actually belongs to all those people who are there, starting right from Santosh. I mean, like I said, I need a full session to thank each of them for all the qualities that they bring. And so that's why I didn't really get into details about that. But of course, Santosh was my pillar of strength during the year. Anytime I have a trouble, I always used to go to Santosh, and Santosh has a solution. So this is where I am pretty confident that, this year, despite all the high expectations, I have no doubt that we are going to see another amazing year. Santosh is going to bring his own innovation. He's also a tech guy. He's always been an information technology auditor. So you mix Santosh with technology, you're going to get a fantastic outcome. So so 12 months from now, I'm sure that, we'll be talking about the great things that Santosh has done. So let's no doubt about that in my mind. Sharmila, my secretary, of course, amazing. That's the only way I can say, because she's been a pillar of strength, and secretary job is in a committee very crucial. And I know that from experience, and probably I always keep telling Sharmila that I learned a little bit saying what secretary should do, looking at her, what she did after 1 year after I became the secretary. So that was the kind of commitment and level of involvement that she was doing. And obviously, when the opportunity came, we made her the acting chairperson for 1 month. I think people will still not forget the month of March, when the Women Power was in full display. The amazing all women's conference and the events that were done. So it was just, again, if you can say, it's like a test environment where she just bloomed. And that is now, she's now become the vice chairperson. And let's say, again, as confident as I am about Santosh, I'm confident that Sharmila is going to be even, she's also going to take the chapter to a next level. So she's also fully capable of, delivering great results. Then, of course, my treasurer was Clifford Ji. Clifford Ji, to matlab, no words for me. You need somebody, anytime you have, in stress, you need somebody who you look at, then you calm down. So I was seeing a message from Bharat, where he said, he was quoting somebody's comment that if you have a problem with Rahul Dravid, then you have a problem with life. So it is something like that for Clifford Ji. So if somebody has a problem with Clifford Ji, then they literally have a problem with life, because he's probably the best man, the most kindest person that I have known, and duty bound. I would say the entire year, maybe now I will sit with Clifford Ji to do the financials and other things, but whole year I haven't had to look at that side, to be very honest, because he just gave me the space to do what I was doing, because he was just taking care of the treasury part of it very closely and everything. And one amazing thing for Clifford Ji is also, he came on board on the last day when our nomination. I was in a bit of a crisis on that day, and I had to make some changes. The nominations were not filling, so I had to go on the last day requesting Clifford Ji. And I don't think many people would have just put up their hands to say, let me become some big important role like treasurer on the last day of nomination when they were not originally considering to, throw their hat in the ring. So Clifford ji, great. Thank you so much for being there. And my joint secretary was Ria. Of course, she was the only person who came from the previous committee. So I was looking for some experience from the previous committee, and for various reasons and for various justified reasons, many of the members could not come over to the new committee who were eligible. Many of the members from the previous committee, for 2 years after they finished, they couldn't continue. So Ria was the person who came to me, brought that continuity with me. She took up a new role, and she was quite instrumental in the launch of the magazine. So I think the magazine, as you would see, has totally transformed. We always had a magazine, bringing that out on time, bringing that out with the variety that we started doing, and now we have done that consistently. So she brought a great amount. Of course, she's very good with her public relations, the way she presents, good communicator as well. So Ria has been a great support. Then we had Bharat. Bharat was obviously, with all his busy schedule, whether he was in the ICAP, now he's taken the ICAP president role, but he was the VP education, which is kind of equivalent to the secretary role in BCICI. So he's been there and he became the editor of the magazine halfway through. So he's been doing an amazing job. So thank you. And as you know, thanks to Balu sir and Bharat, every time we needed an office space, we go to Assure, we are there, even if it's Friday morning, I call, Bharat will come there and open the office for us. So that's the level of commitment that he has been showing to us. And then I moved to my 5 dynamic ExCom members. The people were the real stars. I think this is one thing I'm really proud of, because all of them were youngsters. All of them were given a responsibility. They were put in a place which was difficult for them to react. And all of them shone through. Actually, they have all performed exceptionally well, and I'm happy that some of them are continuing in the new committee as leaders, and some I think those who are taking a break will obviously come back. But there's immense talents, immense potential, people who could deliver it on their own. Starting with Vivek. Vivek has been doing the exam, unbelievable, because we were doing the first time the exam, and we had so much work to be done at the administrative level. You had to manage the people at the embassy. You had to go through the rules and fine comb and manage the whole process. He did that amazingly well. He was also coordinating with all the students, managing their queries. So once the first exam was done, second exam was done, we were kind of, comfortable that there's a set process. But doing it at the very first time, and somebody like him, so young, given the responsibility, he did it amazingly well. And he was also on the education committee. So that's how he was when he did the exam thing. So he was doing amazingly well. And now then he moved to social committee. Again, he did an amazing job. Obviously, a reflection of that confidence, I guess. Santosh is happy to have him as his treasurer. So it's like ExCom to a senior leadership role is just a testament of that. Then Vineet, of course, is there. Vineet is my alter ego in sports. So the dynamic guy who was managing all the sports events. I was telling at the badminton event, we planned the badminton event in 1 week. We planned the cricket event delivery in like kind of 1 week, whenever we get the window to deliver it. So he was like super fast. And although he was not in the sports committee, he was originally in the sports committee when we couldn't do any sports event really. When the COVID was there, we couldn't gather, but still we did a relay race at that time. So he was managing that. And then he moved to the CSR committee. So people were putting in out of their comfort zones. We were putting them in different committees, which probably generally didn't associate with them. And he did well there also. Like he mixed CSR with sports also sometimes with the CABF, Padayatra and other things. And then of course, Rowana. Rowana has been an amazing performer. So she's, to give an information, she's the only person who actually came on the committee on her own. So let's say rest of the people, I kind of invited them in some ways. I spoke to a lot of people. So Rowana had put, without knowing who was going to be the chairperson, she had nominated herself. And, so that basically shows intent, and the reason she came was for the purpose, because she wanted to do a CSR. She wanted to bring focus on CSR to BCICI. She had that passion, and she said, if I'm in the committee, we will be able to deliver better. And obviously she was there. Jonathan was also there on the CSR committee, and they were doing amazing job. Again, after 6 months, I put her out of her comfort zone. She was very comfortable with CSR because that's her passion. But then putting her out into the arts and culture committee, she again, the go-getter attitude, never let go attitude. So she was just showing it, just amazing. So she's not there. This committee, she takes a break. She was telling it gets a bit tiring, and I'm sorry for that. For putting the members into a bit of a stress, but then she wants to take a break, refresh, so which is quite understandable. So hopefully she will come back, let's say next year. Then we had Gaurav and Natasha. Both of them have now become the joint treasurer and joint secretary. So people who have moved up to the leadership role. So Gaurav was obviously I say I know Gaurav because I had worked with Garvita for a couple of years. So Garvita was such a nice person. She used to do a lot of things with the, and during that period I got introduced with Gaurav. So he was equally nice, you know, the cute couple as I can call him. So so when Garvita couldn't continue after 2 years, I had approached Gaurav if he could join the committee. And again, Gaurav is somebody who will never say no to anything you ask for. So you give him any responsibility, he will take it up. You know, he's keeping that low profile as well. So you know, not somebody who gets flustered. You see him, you know, smiling most of the time. I have very rarely seen him frowned or anything. So just during the cricket tournament, one of the tournament, he was the umpire and I was bowling and he called a no ball, and I was very upset and I shouted at him. Then that was the day I really felt very bad, because you know, how can I shout at somebody like Gaurav? So that is the level of, you know, such a sweet guy that he is. But then in the spur of the moment it happened, and I went and apologized to him also. Thank you for that. So thank you, Gaurav, for that, and wish you a great journey as joint secretary. And then finally, Natasha again, somebody I know from young age, because she was to be neighbor of my wife in Oman, and she of course joined AXA maybe a couple of years ago. Somebody who's quite reserved, I would say, but somebody with a lot of potential. Somebody who could, who had good communication skills, somebody who could take up this thing. So I know for the first time when I asked Natasha, you should take up this role, she said, I took the role because you asked me for it and I cannot say no to you. So that was how she came into the committee. But I think the reason now she's coming to become the treasurer is obviously because not I asked her to become the joint treasurer or continue in the committee. So that basically shows the transformation that I was mentioning about, you know, being proud to see the transformation of people bringing out their innate skills where they are now developing into leaders themselves. So amazing job, Natasha. Thanks for the wonderful year, and all the best again in your new role as joint treasurer. So I guess that covers the entire committee. So thank you, Rajiv, for giving me that opportunity. Maybe I should have done this for an AGM. Maybe I just did a practice run now.
One thing is
I would just like to say that all these spaces that you have given to all of our committee members, a big chunk of that goes back to you, because our performance has largely been influenced by how much Ajay has delivered. I mean, he's a true definition of leading by example. So we don't have the option of not performing when we have a leader who does so much. So
thank you.
Thank you for a wonderful term.
See, one thing, what is that? One thing what we have seen is, you know, there are a lot of young talents, you know, so the future of BCICI is in the good hands. That's what I can see.
So log into the future, sir. That is why we have to log into the future.
Truly log into the future.
Sir, Ajay Vivek this side, regarding this, which you just said it, that the future.
I cannot see you, Vivek. I cannot be sure it is you. I cannot see you.
Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute, please.
As auditors, we have to confirm that the person who's saying is the person who's claiming to be. Anyways, no, go ahead. No, go ahead, guys. Just joking. Venkat, you can go ahead when he's adjusting his camera. You are on mute, but
you have to unmute.
You have to unmute yourself.
You have to unmute. No,
no,
it's not able to do it.
I don't know why.
Yeah. Now I got it. I have been waiting patiently when all the mentors and the senior members are, covering your term. It's indeed, I don't want to miss this opportunity to congratulate you for closing the terms. It's such a high note and a flying colors. Whether it's an education, whether it's an art and culture, whether it's a sport, I don't think that you left any area. And to be honestly speaking, throughout the year, I never felt that we are in a lockdown when it comes to BCICI events. I think you kept us every time very busy. I think every alternative week, which is something which is phenomenal. And the year term when it is starting, what we were thinking, what was going on, how it would be, and you actually really changed your term into such a way that which is unimaginable. And how Alok has said, truly a innovative leadership it is actually. And I must congratulate you and thank you for your support. And I thoroughly enjoyed in your educational committees, and the way you have supported ICAP throughout the year is actually phenomenal. I must thank on behalf of whole ICAP for your support for throughout the year. The way you have given opportunity to young ICAPers to be the MC in the BCICI events is something which is again very new and And I must thank for that also. And overall, it's a wonderful year, a great milestone you have set. And as everybody said, big shoes to fill in. And thank you so much for serving, and thank you so much for everything. And I wish all the best to Santosh and the team as well. This is just I wanted to share with you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Venkat. I think ICAB is our alter ego, if I can. So I think it's very important that the BCSA chairperson and the ICAB president are in sync. So I think that has been proven, because you were a good friend even before, so we didn't need much of a catch up or anything. So there's no way I could have not supported ICAB in whatever way we could. So thank you so much for your support also. Thanks, Venkat.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, dear.
Now we can see you, Vivek.
Now I could see you in a more enhanced participation in ICAB going forward, since you will be relieved of your responsibilities.
You have relinquished your role in ICAB, but you're still promoting ICAB. So that's good.
This is what an ICABer is actually. This is what I learned from it. ICABer is once an ICABer is always an ICABer, which I have learned and I have experienced this year also. Whether it is a 15 years anniversary celebration of ICAB, the way all the ICABers or past presidents of BCICI supported me, that is a big lesson for me also. How we should be being an ICABer, how we should serve the fraternity as well as to the club. This is what is one thing. Thank you.
ICAB was supported right from the beginning, from the foundation, by the chapter.
Yes. True. Yeah. Sorry, Vivek, you can go ahead.
No, don't be.
Yeah.
Yes. Regarding, first of all, Ajay, I think the participants cannot unmute themselves, so I try to join from other system. Today, by chance, I logged into from ICI Bahrain. That's why I was able to unmute. But other participants
somebody raises their hand, then we can try to do something from here. I don't know why, but I have not muted anybody. But if somebody raises their hand, we can always.
Okay, but this is but just by chance I was able to speak, because I was a host by chance. And similarly, last year also, that was the opportunity which I got to be in the committee by chance only. Though I was in India, so I was expecting that I'll be the first NRI chapter member, because I already spent 6 months. I was expecting to spend few more months there. And Ajay, regarding this thing, as Mani sir just said, that it's in young hands, the future, and we all are young people. But the experience during last 12 months, it was like when a baby learns to walk, and there is someone to hold the hand to help them learn walking. So that is a role which you played during this year. We made mistakes. Sometimes we did something good. Sometimes we did something which needs to be corrected. So you were there to hold our hands to help us learn to walk. And thank you, Ajay, for that. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. So I am on talking terms with Vivek at the end of the term, which is a great thing. So because I used to make so much of fun of him, and then he's such a sportive guy, because I was so confident that he will take it in the sportive spirit. So anything I feel like making fun, I just go to Vivek all the time. But then thank you, Vivek. I think the best compliment I can say is I see a young myself in you, but at a much better level. 27, you are probably, what I probably would have been at 40 or something like that. So amazing job. And I don't know if that's a compliment for you, but for whatever reason. So well done. Thank you.
26, Ajay.
Yeah, you will be 27. You will not go down. So Rajesh.
Sanjay, I just want to take this opportunity to thank personally you and all the ExCom members. It's been an amazing job throughout. Frank, it's the first time in experience, having so many friends being in the ExCom. I have with the sort of any event. I mean, the friends which we were hanging out on weekends with me were literally busy all over the week. So it's that sort of efforts that you guys have put in, and I am pretty sure you are, no matter how many appreciation you are getting from all these senior people, everyone, it's still underappreciated with the sort of efforts that is being put to deliver this many quality programs and the sort of entertainment. It's been a very tough year for everyone with COVID and all other issues, but BCICI has ensured that its members have really made the best of this period, being transitioned into the online mode and everything. It has been an amazing job. No words can really expressed how much of efforts you have put. Wonderful. I really do look forward to a continuance of this with Santosh's term also. All the very best to Santosh, and thank you once again to each and every one of you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you, Rajesh. I hope obviously you've been a volunteer for many of our events. So if in 1 ounce we are able to motivate you to join the committee in the future, because we see a lot of potential in you as well. So that would be a success for me, I think. So I'm sure it's not too far when we will see you on the XCOM as well. So thank you so much for all the help that you've done during the year. Thanks. Okay. I think we should probably try to close. Maybe last, I think Karthik was raising his hand. So maybe if Karthik, if you want to say that you are the last word from the umpire. So we say umpire's judgment should not be questioned. So let's just hear from the umpire and then we'll probably close. Thank you.
Thanks, Ajay. Again, I think words wouldn't be enough to thank the efforts that you have taken and your team has taken. But I just wanted to make a point here is that I think what really stood out this term was that you involved the family as well. I mean, given the lockdown that we were confined in our homes, I think the standout for me as a person was that you involved the family, the non-CA members, the partners as well, the wives or the other husbands of the CF, the ladies as well, because you had the cooking show going on, the quizzes where the spouses could participate. So that involvement, I think, made a lot of difference. So usually if we were, going for the normal in-person meetings that used to have twice a week, there always used to be a complaint or something that you guys are going off having a nice 5-star dinner, we are at home. So this year there was nothing of that sort, So I think the ideas that came about from you and the XCOM were absolutely brilliant. I take this opportunity to also wish Santosh and the new XCOM team all the very best for another wonderful year that we can expect. Thanks, Ajay. Thanks for all the help, and kudos to the entire XCOM team. Well done. Thank you.
Thank you, Karthik. I think Karthik is one of those people who never comes to the spotlight. He was one of the people I had approached to join me on the committee, but then he assured me that he, due to his work commitments, he may not be able to give the best efforts as a committee member. But then count upon him anytime you need, and that is what he has been during the year. When I was feeling suddenly I needed somebody for a MC role, so do I need somebody for a quizmaster role, anything at the back end support, anything. So I think Karthik was always available. Even during Mahesh's term, I remember he was taking on the role for creating the presentation for the best chapter and many other things. So Karthik is one of those silent volunteers, who tries not to come to the forefront, but is always there available. So Santosh, piece of advice: anything you need from Karthik, he's those hidden resources in the team, who doesn't count in the 11, but then very critical in the implementation. So thank you, Santosh. Maybe you can close the session, and we will close the session now.
Yeah. Thank you very much all. Yes, we all described Ajay because he deserves even more. Whatever we described, I am a very honest believer of that thing. And equally, I am overwhelmed by the support and wishes pouring on me. I am sure that I'm also confident that with the support of all of you, we will be able to make the chapter prouder in the coming days. Always we work as a team, we will be able to achieve more. And all of you, I'm sure all are supporting. I will come back to all of you for more and more support. I'm sure that you will extend it. Together we can have a happy journey to greater heights. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, everybody. So I think we will probably quite overshot the time, but then this is one last time. So pardon me for that. Thank you for all the well wishes. I actually wanted to run a survey, with the members, trying to say what they feel during the year, what they liked, etc. So we kind of heard it in person because I was sending too many messages, maybe. But messages will still come. And Alokji was saying he will do one event in the last 6 hours. I am actually doing one more event in the next 6 hours or so. But unfortunately, that's only for my team. So we will meet the XCOM team. My small gesture to give them a thanks with a dinner, maybe. So that is the last event that we will close with. So thank you and good luck, and we look for a new dawn tomorrow. under the efficient and superb leadership of Santosh. So thank you everybody, and signing off.
All the best, Santosh.
One last time.
Thank you, Mani sir.
All the
Thank
best,
you.
Santosh.
Thank you.
And thank
Thank
you,
you.
Ajay. Last, I thank you with folded hands. Thank you.
Bye.